Recently, I came across a website talking about a great bikepacking destination outside of Santa Fe, New Mexico, called the Caja del Rio. They described the remoteness, beauty, and stunning views. Further research revealed that the area was threatened by development, mining, and a proposed highway. There was a great outcry at this amazing place had to be preserved. As I rode for mile after mile, there was definitely remoteness, but I was left wondering about the beauty, views, and amazingness. As the miles rolled out under my tires, my thoughts turned to what made this place so important. Native Americans had been using this land for many generations, mainly as a trade route. Being on the outskirts of Santa Fe, Hispano culture had strong connections to this land, but mainly my thoughts turned to the idea that not all places that deserve protection have to be stunningly beautiful. Places like this are the fabric that holds the tapestry of our environment together. This land is a critical wildlife corridor between the southern deserts and the northern mountains. Aldo Leopold said the last word in ignorance is the man who says of an animal or plant, what good is it? If the land mechanism as a whole is good, then every part is good, whether we understand it or not. It seems to me like that quote was made for a place like this, because many times the real beauty of a place is in the small details, the mice, the birds, and the snakeweed. In the end, the Caja del Rio didn't disappoint with spectacular views of the Rio Grande, but I think what I'll really remember is the lonely miles and the appreciation for the less spectacular parts of nature they instilled in me.
It was not easy, but we have finally reached the rim of the canyon. And if we follow down, all the way down below is the Rio Grande. So here's a pretty stunning view down the canyons. That red ball is some power lines right here in the foreground, but a pretty stunning view of the Caja del Rio. The river is about 800 feet below us right here. Very steep hike. We haven't had scat in one of our videos in quite a while. And you might be wondering, well, who cares? That's horse poo. But this is actually wild horse scat. This area is a wild Mustang sanctuary. And one of the ways that we can tell that is if you look closely, there are a lot of prickly pear cactus seeds in there.